quick demonstration of Linktree. So welcome. My name is Cathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Rita, and I'm going to do a quick demo of Linktree. So Linktree allows you to have more than one website link to in your Instagram bio. So go to Linktree. Notice it is not .com. It is linktr.ee, and you're going to click here to log into Instagram. Now, mine automatically changed into this because I've had this open before, and so I just wanted you all to see how it works. So you simply go up here, click Add New button, enter the URL that you would like to use. First you must do this. That didn't. So I'm going to use one of my websites. I am not going to save it though because it was previously on here and it's active, but I don't use it. And most importantly, you want to have the title here so you can tell people what the link is all about. So that when they go to your toolbar, or click on your link in your bio, this is what they will see. So Instagram will allow, this Linktree tool will allow you to change the color, the background color of of the website links. So originally I had green, which is Linktree green, but I chose this color because my new website, Cathy E. Smith, has the ombre colors, and either this or this one would actually fall in line with my my actual website. So here is, you turn this to green if you want to show that particular website link, and if you don't, then you just turn it to off. Green means that it's on and it's showing. So now if you were to go to my website, my IG profile, you would see Crack the Customer Code, and I'm actually going to change this to Cathy E. Smith main website so that people will know what main website is. So it automatically makes the adjustment, and that's all. And so I just wanted to share a quick tip on how to use Linktree. And basically you can click here and copy this link and paste it into your Instagram profile. So that's all for this quick video.